Pot Coffee, and this is Coffee University. This video is about grinding. Grinding is a very critical, important aspect of the coffee making process. There are basically two kinds of grinders for the home. One is a blade grinder, and that looks like this. This is a blender attachment. So actually, it's just a blade, and the blade grinds the coffee just around it. It does a very uneven job. It's okay in a pinch if you're doing a French press, not good for espresso, not good for a stovetop espresso mocha pot. For a French press, it'll work if you don't have another grinder. But I highly, highly recommend getting the other type of grinder. That's called a Burr grinder, B-U-R-R. And it's called a Burr grinder because there are actually burrs. This is a conical Burr grinder, and you can see these are burrs, and this grinds the coffee, and then the coffee goes into a chamber. So the consistency you get with this kind of grinder is much better than the blade grinder. This kind of grinder is available, especially in the US, for about $40, $50. They're all the same. They're conical burrs. They're all made in China. They have different brand names on them. Krups, Capresso, you name it. DeLonghi. They're pretty much just different design, different look, but they work the same way. I'd go for something simple, inexpensive. You could buy it on Amazon for, again, $40 to $50. This is a really very good investment. It's not a grinder you're going to use for a $5,000 espresso machine. For something like that, you're going to need a commercial grinder. But for any other way of making coffee, the Burr grinder is far superior to a blade grinder. A $50 investment will make a huge difference in the quality of the coffee that you're making. So go out, make sure that you have a Burr grinder before going the next step and doing the just roasted coffee with my power roaster. I recommend that. Okay, that's the video on grinding. I'm Pot Coffee. This is Coffee University. You get 1 credit for this. See you again.